Wheat. Durum wheat, or triticum durum, is distinct from common bread wheat. Its robust kernels are essential for
Is the primary ingredient, durum wheat, harvested on a continental scale. Its exceptional hardness and high protein content are the foundation.
Wheat. Durum wheat, or triticum durum, is distinct from common bread wheat. Its robust kernels are essential for
foods. The harvest is to monumental, neck is a mighty operation. These combines simultaneously cut
Each harvester's onboard tank holds tons of grain. This continuous transfer to bulk transport is the first step in the journey from field to factory.
The harvested grain is consolidated at terminal elevators. Here, it is cleaned, categorized by quality, and loaded.
This dedicated unit train, carrying thousands of tons of durum wheat, begins its long-distance journey to the processing heartland.
Arriving at its destination, the raw material is now at the gateway to transformation. The logistics chain integrates seamlessly with production.
The first factory step, gravity-assisted unloading. Thousands of kilograms of wheat are released in minutes, beginning their descent into the processing stream.
The grain meets its first automated guardians. Aspirators use precise air currents to remove dust, husks, and
Cleaned and validated, the durum wheat now crosses the threshold. The raw material is ready for its industrial metamorphosis.
The process begins with conditioning. The wheat is precisely moistened and rested in these giant silos.
In the breaking stage, the tempered wheat meets the first set of rolls. Their job is not to pulverize
durables. The crushed material is immediately sifted. A cascade of vibrating screens separates the larger bran flakes. Purifiers use precise aspiration. Air currents lift off any remaining bran, leaving behind the purest, golden semolina middlings. The purified semolina now passes through smooth reduction rolls. These rolls grind it down.
This is the heart of the mill, a fully integrated continuous flow system. Each stream is meticulously separated. Quality begins before processing even starts. Every shipment of durum wheat is rigorously tested in the lab.
The entire milling operation is monitored from a central nervous system. Process engineers ensure every
The extrusion process is both an art and a science. Operators make micro adjustments in real time.
Finished semos. The finished semolina, now a perfect golden powder, is pneumatically conveyed to battery storage.
Before hydration, the semolina is often blended. This is where recipe consistency is ensured on a tonnage scale.
The semolina itself is constantly tested. Its granular size distribution is critical.
The first step of pasta making, hydration. Semolina meets pure water in a precisely calculated zone.
Inside the continuous mixer, hydration is completed under mechanical force. The particles are thoroughly blended and
Hydration begins with ultimate precision. This water injection manifold ensures every particle of semolina is exposed to the same amount of moisture simultaneously.
temperature is a critical process variable. Thermal imaging monitors the dough in real time. The friction of mix.
To achieve perfect texture and prevent breaking, all air must be removed. This vacuum stage pulls out
Diameter is measured with laser precision the moment the pasta is born. Any deviation outside micron-level tolerances triggers.
The drying process is modeled digitally. Engineers can simulate and optimize airflow products.
To verify the inline sensors, physical core samples are taken. This destructive testing provides the ground truth.
Drying is controlled with data. Inline sensors provide continuous, real-time moisture readings, allowing the system to...
The ultimate test. Does it cook perfectly? Samples from every production line are...
The compacted dough enters the extrusion chamber. Here, immense hydraulic pressure and a giant screw work it into a perfect...
the heart of shape creation. The homogeneous dough is forced through a bronze die. This traditional material gives the pasta its...
Extruded to a precise length, this continuous curtain of spaghetti begins its journey through the critical preliminary drying zone. Consistency is absolute.
The first drying stage begins immediately. High-velocity air at a controlled temperature and humidity starts the print. In this precisely controlled environment, the pasta begins to lose moisture from the outside in. A skin forms on
The core drying phase. Here, temperature and humidity are meticulously lowered in stages over many hours.
The drying process is not a single event, but a carefully profiled journey. Each zone has a specific.
Before packaging, the pasta must rest. This final conditioning phase allows residual internal.
The dried pasta is now ready for its final transformation. Robotic handlers transfer the delicate but rigid.
The endless curtain meets the cutter. In one instant, it is transformed into millions of identical, measured lengths of
Every single strand passes under the electronic eye. Color, length, diameter, and surface defects are
fabulous. Imperfections have no place. Strands that are broken, discolored, or misshapen are identified and removed from the line by a blastive. A final, gentle polish. This step ensures each strand is perfectly smooth, eliminating any remaining.
The finished spaghetti is now complete. It is gathered in bulk storage hoppers, ready to be precisely measured and portioned for its iconic packaging. Accuracy is paramount. Each portion is weighed to the exact gram, guaranteeing consistency in every single box, anywhere in the world.
The packaging itself is created on site. Flat sheets of cardboard are formed, glued, and presented for filling in one sense. The box is sealed under pressure. This crucial step ensures the package is robust, protecting the delicate pasta.
Every box is marked with its unique identity. This traceability data is critical for quality control and
A final, fail-safe check. Even after exhaustive processing, each package is scanned for any.
Retail boxes are consolidated into larger shipping cases. This automation prepares the product for palletizing and its journey into the global distribution system. TV. At regional hubs, bulk shipments are broken down. Automated systems sort thousands of cases per hour, building custom.
The product enters the final leg of its supply chain. Automated systems at distribution hubs break down the full pallets. Each pallet is scanned and assigned to a specific destination. This final manual step is guided by a digital. Finished goods are stored with digital precision. This automated warehouse, ensuring perfect rotation.
The palletizer builds shipping units. Each pallet is constructed for maximum stability and weight distribution.
The pallet is sealed in a protective shrink wrap. This membrane secures the load, protects it from dust and moisture, and
internal logistics are fully automated. These self-driving vehicles transport finished pallets for production to the shipping bay.
Even automated filling is audited. Statistical process control ensures the portion in every box is exact. Consumer trust is built gram by gram.
For global markets, the journey continues by sea. Containerized shipping moves entire factories worth.
At the destination port, the container is transferred from ship to shore in minutes. It enters the land. The final hub before the world. Regional distribution centers like this one act as neural nodes, coordinating the flow. The final logistical step. The product arrives at the local store, integrated into a mixed load of goods. The journey concludes at the local level. Store employees integrate the new shipment into existing inventory, ensuring the shelf
product late. The monumental scale of production is now accessible by successful consumer will be selected.
And in this simple act of choice, the cycle completes. A product born from continental agriculture.
This is the final transformation. The careful science of drying and the preservation of the wheat's protein.
Beyond nutrition, it's about connection. The industrial process, invisible at this moment, serves